Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. Yes, so it's me again, Mama V True Was TV. Yeah. So today I'm here again to bring another bunga story from you guys. So this story, now will listen, I will see and say, not be not be one place bad thing dey o. So before I dive into the issue, if you have been watching my videos, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support this channel so that I can have a lot of people that view my video. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you very much. So I greet my new subscriber. Thank you. God bless you for subscribing for this channel. I will never disappoint you for subscribing to me. And also thank you for sharing my video. I swear God bless you. Please, if you have been watching, you haven't subscribed, please try and subscribe so that you will learn many things from this channel. So the wetin I wan talk about today come like this. Now one of my subscribers, and I just bring the gist for me. So the gist, it looks so funny somehow, but if you still reason now, na wetin I go upload for here, make una still listen more and learn, you understand? Because if you don't wear fọpá mi danger, èmi no mind me o my can save. They say not be one place bad thing dey, e dey everywhere. That thing wey you never see, you never waka reach there. Na so life be. So he say this one concerning concern her about where she dey work. He say where she dey work, so they have a lot of staff there. Many staff dey there wey dey work, many departments for the working place for the company. So he say so the chef wey dem get before, he come old, which is his age come enter pension age. This chef come go to pension after 60 something years, according to the country where the thing for happen. 60 something years. So you know say oyibo life, they like to give opportunity to their young youth. You understand? Then they like to give opportunity to their young youth. E no be like our place wey we for come, instead of them to train that one wey dey that company before, make e go higher level so that make e come be somebody for that company. They go be friend, make dem go be the person, another person for one side, for our side wey we for come for bongo. But white man land e no dey like that. If dem see say you dey the company for how many years, say you get good experience, e get position wey e go dey vacant, wey dem know say that position maybe not in 3 months e go dey vacant, and they go need person to take fill that gap or fill that space of that place. So they go look for one good humble workers wey dem get. They go come give am that, make e go course, make e go study. E go study that position when e be say one vacant 3 months time. E go study am, finish 3 months or 6 months course, so e go come go. So when you go come finish that course now, as in they come back from that course, the person wey wan retire for that position, e go come retire. They go come put that new person, go come dey there. Say that so that thing take happen. So say when the old chef come comot now, all the old staff wey dey there before, wey dey work with the old chef, all of them come, they don master that chef. The chef na advanced person, but this one wey dem bring come now na new person. You understand? Na new guy wey be say, so this one na new guy, im blood still dey foam, because na young boy na dem come take represent that post. So say all the old staff when e come meet, wey be say na all of them dey work before together as one staff o, because say now he come go read another course of capo, capo, the owner big chef, I don't know as una dey call am. He come go school for 6 months, so they come put am for that position. So the other man come go for retirement. So later now, all the people wey dem bin dey work before together like one equal work, all of them now, e come be say e come get upper hand pass all of them. And another position come still free again, wey be say after him wey be first, second command e go follow. So that second command too, the vacancy still come free, but they come bring another person come from outside, make come handle that position. And that person wey handle that position na the person wey be say e dey get up for the office every working day, e go go dey supervise supervisor, e go go dey supervise the rest staff, which is the rest young staff under there. E go go dey supervise their work. So when e dey supervise their work na, the report wey dey go dey give the main chef, e no dey okay like that. So all of them na, the way control come dey, they no come like am. Maybe they come think am say, this boy wey dey among us before, na he go come dey tell us wetin we go do. Probably maybe they don dey that company before this guy wey come get opportunity come become the oga patapata for the office. So na he come see say na all of them come dey vex. So e get this particular lady, according to this my friend wey bring this story for me, he say e get this particular lady himself dey work for there, but they say the law wey they get for that company, you are not allowed to stand with workers like you, make una dey talk, or make una dey, maybe una dey make like a gossip or amebo or kiakiare make I use alo. You know, it's not allowed in that company. So everybody dey pass each other, except say na when they dey break, maybe they call them where they smoke cigar together or where they take cafe together. If not, if they stand like this, they work, nobody is allowed to talk to each other. Say so that thing where that new person come dey do now, it come dey hurt all of them. Say na so that woman come one day from, he come work one day, before you know, he just fell down like say he wan pass out, he come faint. Before that they come carry am get up, they come call ambulance for this lady. Before ambulance come, as ambulance treat her small, they come put her for their bed, roll and go hospital. So say they come roll and go. So after that day, like say he come get like 2-3 days sick leave, he no come work again. So meanwhile, when they bring that second chef now, this lady now, where I say he faint now, if it opportunity just dey like that, he just see them, he go just tell them say now, wow, this new person where they bring come so, this new person where they bring come so, now wow. So he say every time wey be say he take opportunity dey with people, he go just dey gossip that new person. Say na wow, this person wey dey just bring come now, he comes dey scatter here, and he just dey give all of the high blood pressure, dey give all of the heart attack. Which kind wahala be this one? How he go just come meet them, he go begin dey command them, tell them what to do, not to do. So he go dey come dey spoil the rest workers' mind. Before you know, all of them, they come dey resign by themselves. You see am? They come dey write letter, they go dey submit for that chef, because the chef say he no dey drive the second command, he no dey drive am. He don come, he must come to stay. So who knows say no go fit combine with work with that one, if he go. So all of them come dey write their voluntary letter to discharge. They come dey write about 3, 4, 5 people for the company. They come write voluntary letter, say they want comot for the company. So he come say he come dey. So he say last now, before you know, 1, he don go, 2, he don go, 3, almost about 5 people, they don leave the company because of say this woman wey dey follow dey do am, but say na wow, why say he faint. So he say now he come ask am one day, say this one now wey you be say you don faint now for this woman matter now, because he come back from hospital. Now he come ask am say, wetin happen, why you faint that day? He say he come tell am say na this new second command wey dem break o, na him make am wey no dey sleep well, na him make am faint that day. Say it's okay. He say cause I say now many people now, about 5 people don comot now. They don write letter by themselves voluntary, say they no dey come this job again. So you now, how you wan do you sef wan comot? He say he wan come tell am say no, he no dey go anywhere o, he need this money o, he need this job, he no dey go anywhere. You see am? You see wetin we dey talk? That always dey talk for here, because now him dey gather them, dey ginger them, according to the woman. Say e dey spoil their mind, say how person wey dem bring come yesterday go come be on top of chef, on top of them. Last second command, they come dey treat them anyhow. The big chef no say no fit do anything. You see all of the converse now, they come write letter discharge, they come comot, leave the company. She wey ginger them now, spoil their mind now, e still dey the company dey work. He say because he need the money, no dey go anywhere. So wetin I tell this video make, when I come dey make today, when I want to upload for people, at least you wey dey lis ten to this video now, you go learn 1 of 2 things for this broadcast when I dey do so. Because many people say Emma uwe keriro ọ̀rẹ́ mà o, When you sing winare o, eva where ye ma. You see, you say you no good, you are still there. It's not good, you are still there. You advise me that this work is not good, or the chef is not good. I've left the job because of your advice, but you wey give me the advice, you still dey there, you still dey do the work. You see the foolishness of people wey be say they listen to people wey go spoil their mind to take lose their precious thing wey be say, I no say yes, those people wey comot maybe dem still see their work o, but at least no be say na instantly. Some fit still dey like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months before they still see work. You understand? No be say you just dey leave one, another one dey wait for you. But that same woman now wey make all of them now write voluntary discharge now for the work, she still dey there dey work. You see am? So I just still bring am come, may I still upload this thing, una still lis ten to this thing. To the case, if you get somebody like that for your life, or friend's friend, make una beware from them. Una let them talk. As they talk, you go enter, una let them pass here comot. This is still, that still be when you go see some people, their neighbor, they dey the same house. Like this Jamie, where all of us dey now, they go come pack people according to their law, because if you never get their stay, you no get right to go carry your own apartment. They go jump up people for one building. The one they go bring, some people will come be nuisance out of them. Come they make noise every time. They disturb some particular people. Now you come see some people will say, hey, why you not just beat her? You forbid one bay. You forbid her. You forbid her in no time when you forbid her. When you go beat her, finish where cake go come. Now your name they go write for that. That your friend when you tell you say why you not beat her, if they not go see her come write your name for that. You see her. Now you come be say that you can't spoil your career. All the old problem when you make when you come this country, all of them go come day your fight. Even though like 30 years you take stay that country, if you find anything go that office, when they go bring your fight come out, they open her, they go see all your bad record. It go affect your present time. Now so life is this, especially this abroad where we dey. You understand? Not be where I for go school last 2 years before I start work. Where I for go school. Yesterday when I get important thing to go look for, now a person tell me say make I go that place, say they go fit help me. Now I go the place yesterday. As I go there, I meet the boss for the company. I can't greet her. We say, I can't greet me. You still there? Look at him. I work. I say, it's fine. No, say good. They was happy for me. They happy. Say they work. I say, hey, now how they manage my children? We are fine. I was like, see what thing I want to. Because okay, and no problem. Now so this woman go bring my file come out. You see, huh? He bring my file come and me surprised say my picture he did my file. I don't know before. My picture he did my file. He can't bring and come and they can't look everything. Then they can't do what they want give me. That one and file go there. They can't type her. They can't give me. You see, huh? So file for Europe, they know they throw away. If you get good report, you go do that file. Anybody where go, where come out, where they transfer new boss come. If you open your file, you go see say you get good record for that country where you did. So that make we say, may we know they listen to they say, if they break home, if they break work, if they break many things. They say, go make yourself, they fight who you not supposed to fight. So may we know they listen. You see this woman now, he don't succeed now, drive about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people come up for that company. But she said she know they go, she need the money. So when I saw this video reach, make I end down here, may not too long, my people. If you still see this video, mona me share and ben, mona share and make our people they listen. Not be everybody will follow you open teeth, not be your friend. And not go on your man. You understand? Make we they use our common sense for ourselves. Anything, not be anything we hear from people, man, we will they hungry put, or we go they vest put, we will they take action put. May we they use our common sense, take the pilot ourselves. Thank you very much, my listener. Let me end this video here. If you have been watching my video, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, support this channel, let it grow. Subscribe for me. Turn on your notification bell in case anytime I come here, YouTube go alert you say Mama V, it don't upload. Thank you very much, my listener. God bless you all. Subscribe for my YouTube channel, channel. Very Africa channel, you know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram page. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama V True Words TV. We'll see you again in my next video. Bye.